Hi everyone. Hi Costa. Hi Ashwin. Hi Ritvik. Hi Shiv. Hi Dhatri. Hi Panav. All right, great children. So most of you have entered. So some of the children are still entering. So let's play a video by the time. Yeah. All right. Okay. So let me just share my screen and let's play a video. Okay, show me a thumbs up if my video is visible to you. All right, I can see Ava's thumbs up and Ritwik's thumbs up. Okay. All right, great children.
Hello and welcome to 98th Percentile. We're an online education company that offers live math and English courses for K through 12 students to get them a grade ahead in 6 months or less. We also focus on building young entrepreneurs through our live coding and public speaking programs. Our Rockstar teachers focus on small classroom sizes with only up to 4 students per classroom. This means that your students receive the benefit of fun and engagement with their peers while also receiving the benefit of personalized attention from their educators. We do all of this at an unbeatable price that delivers 4 times the value of any other similar program out there today. At 98th Percentile, we've already helped accelerate over 1,000 students' academic career and have received prestigious awards from all across the world.
Okay, great children. So I hope you enjoyed the video. So I again formally welcome you all, dear parents and children, to the revision marathon. The motto of revision marathon is to revise and not memorize. So children, quickly call all your parents because I have some important information to share with them. Okay. All right. So thank you parents for joining in. So this session will be recorded for quality and marketing purposes. So I request you all children to put your smiling faces on. So sharing the progress so far. So already we have covered the operations in algebraic thinking, numbers and operations in base 10. And in the last week, we covered measurement and data. Show me a thumbs up if you have done the worksheets for measurement and data, children. All right, let me see your thumbs up. Okay, Titli showing the thumbs up. Okay, I can see some thumbs up and some thumbs down. Purna is showing me a thumbs up. No worries, children. So you can practice the worksheets maybe later. So now today we are going to cover the geometry domain, and it is my favorite domain. Tell me, is it your favorite as well? Show me a thumbs up. Okay, I can see Achutte double thumbs up. Okay, Ashi is showing double thumbs up. Great children. So definitely it's the favorite domain for every child, isn't it? Okay. All right. So dear parents and children, so if you're enjoying our sessions, it would just take 2 minutes to spread the word. So we are sharing a link that is our social media page, FB and Google links. I'm giving you 2 minutes, dear parents and children. Just go to the link and share your reviews there. You can tell us whatever thing you like the most and which domain is your favorite and you enjoyed it. So kindly take out a minute, children, parents. Click on the link that will land you on our social media pages. You can even mention your children's name there. We would love to hear from you. So waiting for 2 minutes. And show me a thumbs up if you're done. All right, so waiting for 1 more minute. We would love to hear from you, your reviews there, and we would love to listen to your read your names as well. Please share whatever thing you like the most in our session. Okay, so moving ahead. So thank you parents for your time. So before you leave your children, just help them to set up their devices. I'll be sharing a game pin soon with you children. You have to enter the game pin and then your nicknames. I would request you to enter your first name. All right. So are you ready? So let the show begin then. So I'm quickly sharing my game pin with you. All right, children, show me a thumbs up if you're ready with the devices. Okay, I can see Panav excited. All right, Panav, I can see your dancing moves. Great. Okay, great, children. So let's start. So here is the game pin. All right, so the game pin is 545157 545156. Please check your names appearing on the screen, children. All right, I can see so many names appearing. Waiting for 30 more seconds. All right, I can see Ava dancing. Great, Ava. Okay. So, are you ready to play the game? So excited. Okay, great, children. Hi, Lohita. Go. What is the name of this shape? Wow, all of you are correct. Superb, children. So this is a cube. Great. Can you tell me how many faces a cube is having? Quickly in the chat box. How many faces a cube is having? All right, I can see many answers popping up. So correct, children, we have 6 faces in a cube. So, and can you tell me if I have 6 faces, what is the shape of each face of a cube? So let's suppose this is a face, right? This is the front face. Can you tell me what is the shape of the face? Perfect answer. This is a square, right? Very good, children. So moving ahead, let's see the leaderboard. I'm very excited because all of you gave the right answer. Okay. All right. So Titli at the first place. Then we have Reverend Lohit, Daksh, Shiv, and Nikan. Very good, children. Okay. Ready for the next question? All right. Name of this shape. Wow, I'm super impressed. So this is a pentagon. And how many sides it's having? Let's count. So it is having 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we have 5 sides. Can you tell me, children, how many angles and vertices a pentagon is having? Quickly in the chat box. Angles and vertices. Perfect. So we have 5 angles. So this is the first, second, third, fourth, and the 5th angle. So the angle is formed when 2 rays are joining. We'll say as 2 lines are joining. So at the vertex, we form an angle, right? So exactly we have 5 vertices as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is a vertex, children? So the corner or the pointy thing, wherever 2 sides are meeting, that is called as a vertex. Great. All right. So let's move ahead. Let's see the leaderboard. I'm so excited. So positions changing. So Nikan up in the 2nd place and Lohitaksh up in the 3rd place. Good job. And Titli maintaining her position. And we have Panav Chan, the highest climber. Good luck, Panav. Okay, let's see the next question. What is the name of this shape? Again, all of you are correct. Very good. So this implies that geometry is definitely your favorite domain, right? Good job. Okay, so talking about a hexagon. This is a hexagon. All right. Because this is having 6 sides. Now I'm going to draw a shape, children. All right. And you tell me whether it's a hexagon or not. All right. So let's draw a shape. 1, okay, so it has this is a side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so tell me whether it's a hexagon or not. Okay, let me see your answers. So many answers popping in. Okay, so somebody saying no, somebody saying yes. Okay, children, so any closed shape, all right, any closed shape that is having 6 sides is a hexagon. Now, if I draw this type of hexagon, children, okay, so this you agree is a hexagon, right? Because it is having 6 sides, right? But the shape I drew was having also 6 sides, so both of them are hexagon. Now what is the difference? The difference is the name of this hexagon is a regular hexagon. All right. Why? Because it all the 6 sides are equal in size. But when I draw a shape like this, let's try to draw this shape. Now this is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides, right? But it is also a hexagon. Now what is this hexagon called as? This is irregular hexagon. Why it is irregular? Because all the sides are not equal in size. So show me a thumbs up if this is something new you have learned today. Let me see. Okay, great. I can see many thumbs up. Great, children. All right, so let's see the leaderboard. All right, Nikan in the first place, Titli, Lohitaksh, then we have Revrit, Panav. Okay, now we have Ziava, that is the highest climber. Good luck, Ziava. Let's see the next question, children. Excited? Because all of you are giving almost right answers, isn't it? Great, let's see. What is the name of this shape? Okay, so less than 10 seconds you took to answer this question. Definitely it's a triangle because it is having 3 sides. And how many angles and vertices it is having? Quickly tell me in the chat box. How many angles and vertices? So we have 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 angles and this pointy thing is a vertex, right? So again, we have 1, 2, and the third at the top. So we have 3 vertices. Great. Super impressed with you all, children. All right, let's see the leaderboard now. All right, so Titli again in the first place. And then we have Aditi as the highest answer streak of 4. Good luck, Aditi. Ready for the next question, children? I am expecting all answers correct in the next one as well. Okay, let's see the next question. Select the sentence that do not describe. Just one wrong answer. No problem, children. So I already just in the previous question told you how many vertices in a triangle do we have, right? So we have 1, 2, and the 3. So we have 3 vertices. So the question was, we have to select the sentence that do not describe a triangle. So the sentence, a triangle has 4 vertices, obviously do not fit, right? So a triangle has 3 angles is correct. A triangle has 3 sides is correct. A triangle has 3 vertices is correct as well. So give me a thumbs up if you understood the question, children. Okay, excited to see the leaderboard? I think there must be a change now. Okay, let's see. So Lohitaksh and Shiv back in the game. And Priyarch is the highest climber. Good luck, Priyarch. And we have Titli and Nikan in the first, second positions again. Good luck. Okay, here comes the next question. Which of the following shapes has exactly 5 angles? All right, 17 correct. Some of you were wrong. So let's see why the first option is not the correct. Okay. So the question was 5 angles, exactly 5. Okay. So now what shape is this, children? The first one, can you quickly tell me in the chat box, what is the name of this shape? a hexagon. Correct, children? And hexagon is having how many sides? 6 sides, 6 angles, and 6 vertices, isn't it? So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Definitely doesn't have 5 angles. But when we come to pentagon, it is having 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 angles. So definitely this one is the correct answer. All right. So let's move ahead to the leaderboard. Okay, so there is a little bit change in the first and the second position. So Nikan on the top and Titli on the second place. And we have TTPP90 is the highest climber. Okay. All right, so let's have the next question. So I am a closed shape with 6 vertices and 6 angles. Can you guess the shape? So I think you got the concept right. So let's draw a hexagon. So hexagon looks like this, a regular hexagon, right? So it has 6 vertices. So this is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. So vertex is something when 2 sides are meeting at a point, right? A corner. Now what are angles? When 2 sides are meeting, they form an angle here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 angles, isn't it? So definitely a hexagon is a correct answer. All right, now let's talk about a quadrilateral, children. Can you quickly tell me how many sides a quadrilateral is having? A quadrilateral is having how many sides? Perfect answer, 4 sides. Now I have one more question for you, children. Can you tell me, is square a quadrilateral? Yes or no? Yes, almost everyone is saying yes. Very good. Definitely square is a quadrilateral. Now, can you type in one more type of quadrilateral? We have square, and what other types of quadrilaterals do we have? Okay, I can see rectangle, diamond, trapezoid. Okay, wonderful, children. So even we have rhombus, trapezoid, square, rectangle, all these are quadrilaterals. And the reason being they are all having 4 sides, isn't it? Okay, so before we see the leaderboard, and I can guess you're all smart children, let's have a quick riddle. Ready for a riddle? Show me a thumbs up if you're ready for a riddle. All right, I can see thumbs up, many thumbs up. Okay, children, so here comes the riddle. All right, so Rob is painting. Okay, he's a painter and he is going to paint houses that are numbered 1 to 100. Okay, now he is going to paint the houses, and on the door he's going to write the numbers. So 1, 2, 3, and so on till 100, right? Now you have to tell me, Rob will write 6, the number 6, how many times? How many times he will write the number 6? So he will paint starting from 1 to 100. You have to tell me, Rob will write the number 6 how many times? Okay, so 1 time, 10 time, 11 time. Okay, I can see many answers. Okay, waiting for a few more answers. 6 times. Okay, mostly you are saying 10 or 11, right? So the reason being, we'll start from 6, 16, 26, 36, and so on, right, children? But you missed out one thing. So when we come to 60, so it will be 61, 62. So whole 61 till 69, we have many 6, right? So can you quickly count those as well and tell me the correct answer? All right. So 56, then after that 60, we have 61 and so on. Quickly count and tell me how many sixes are there. Okay, I can see many answers. Let me just, oh wow, Ava said 19. Very good, Ava. That's the perfect answer. So because children, when we count from 6 to like 6, 16, 26, and we keep on going to 96, we will have 10, right? Now when we count, so 6, 16, 26, 36, 46, 56, 66, 66 is having 2 sixes, 76, 86, and 96. Now when we count from 61 to 69, how many more we have? We have 9 more. So the answer is 19. Good job. So this was a little tricky riddle, but I think you understood this. Okay, so let's see the leaderboard now. Ready and excited? Okay. Okay, so no major change in the positions, but we have Ziava with the highest answer streak of 7. Perfect. Very good, children. So let's move ahead. I'm a closed shape with 4 vertices and 4 angles. Can you guess the shape? So 9 correct. Okay, children, let's try to understand this. So I think you got a little confused, isn't it? So we are talking about a closed shape with 4 vertices and 4 angles. Now when we talk about a cube, children, let's draw a cube first. So this is a 3D solid figure, right? Now if you count the vertices, so the vertices are where edges are meeting, isn't it? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices on the top, but we have to count the bottom as well. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 8 vertices in a cube. So definitely it's not the correct answer. A quadrilateral is definitely having 4 sides, 4 vertices, and 4 angles, isn't it? Show me a thumbs up if you understood this thing. All right. So I'm expecting a major change in the leaderboard now. Let's see. Okay, I was correct. So we have Revrit, Priyat, Shriketh, Panav in the game now. And Shriketh is the highest climber with the answer streak of 8. That means all your answers are correct. Very good, Shriketh. Superb. And don't worry, children, you will catch up in the next question. All right. So the thing is that you learned something new, isn't it? Ready for the next question? Excited? Okay. All right. So let's see the next question. So I am a closed shape with 5 vertices and 5 angles. Good job, children. So quadrilateral is something which will have how many vertices, children? Can you quickly type in the chat box? A quadrilateral. Correct. So it will have 4 vertices, 4 sides, and 4 angles. A pentagon is having 5 vertices and 5 sides. Moving ahead to the leaderboard. Okay, so we have a little bit change in the positions, but we have Panav with the answer streak of 9. Good job, Panav. All right, let's see the next question. All right, so Betty baked a cake for her friends. She cut her cake into 5 equal columns and 2 equal rows. Which picture shows the same thing? when we talk about rows and columns, so what do you mean by rows and what do you mean by? Can you type in the answers in the chat? What do you mean by rows and what do you mean by columns? Okay, waiting for your answers. All right, I can see many answers coming in. So rows are something, children, that what goes across from left to right, and columns are something that goes up and down, right? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 columns, and we have 1 and 2. So we have one row and the second row. So definitely this is the perfect answer, isn't it? Now, can you tell me, children, in this figure, how many rows and columns do we have? In this figure, how many rows and columns do we have? So it has 2 rows, right? And it has 4 columns, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that is why it's not the correct answer. Okay, so let's move ahead to see the leaderboard. Excited? So am I. Let's see. Okay, there is again, Uma Cow, a new player in the game, and with the answer streak of 10. Wow. Okay, great job. Let's see the next question. Ready? Excited? All right. So Mr. Edwella asked his class to use square pieces of paper to find out how many equal rows and columns the following rectangle could be divided into. Select the rectangles that is correctly divided. Some of you said the fourth one. Okay. So children, let's understand why this is not the correct answer and what is the correct way of partitioning any object. Okay. So when this is a any shape and I'm trying to fit in the square, so what I'll do is I'll put the square side by side, isn't it? Right? Do we leave a gap while counting? So this is having some gaps in between. So if we put a gap like that, so what will happen? So this space we are not even counting and it is not correctly divided. So to correctly divide, we have to put the squares beside each other and we will not leave any gap, right? So this is a perfect way to divide a rectangle if we have equal sized squares, isn't it? Okay, I hope you got the concept. Show me a thumbs up if yes. Okay, so let's see the leaderboard now. Okay, Pana in the first place and Titli is back in the game. Good luck, Titli. All right, let's see the next question. So Mrs. Lee was making a bulletin board for her classroom. She divided her bulletin board into 4 equal columns and 3 equal rows. So you have to select the correct picture for the same. So that means you got the concept. So how many rows and columns do we have? 4 columns and 3 rows, right? So this particular figure is having how many columns and how many rows? So 1, 2, 3 rows, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. So 4 columns and 3 rows. Now if we come to this figure, so it is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns and 3 rows, right? So definitely this is not the correct answer, isn't it? All right, great children. So most of you were correct. Let's see the leaderboard now. Okay, so there is no more much change, but we have a pre-arch with 12 correct answers in a row. Good luck, pre-arch, and all of you are doing a great job, children. And let's have the next question now. So Cindy decided to hang pictures on her bedroom wall. She hung the pictures in 3 equal columns and 5 equal rows. How many pictures did Cindy hang on her wall? Wow, that means you got the concept, children. Superb. So this was the picture. And okay, so we have divided this into rows and columns. Can you name what this is called as, children? When we divide a 2D shape, let's say a square or a rectangle, into rows and columns, what is that called as? Okay, let me see your answers. Area, all right. Okay, so that starts with A only, children. So this is called as an array, all right. Now, how we count these blocks in this array quickly is because every row is having equal number of blocks, right? So this 3, 3, 3, 3, and 3. So we can just quickly do a skip count by 3 and we'll get 15. So 3, 6, 9, then 12, then 15. Or you can simply add them up, right? Instead of going to count every square, you can use this trick. Okay, so let's see the leaderboard. All right, so 5 players have an answer streak of 5. Very good, children. Superb. Are you excited for the next question? Yeah? All right, I can see Costa showing me a thumbs up. Okay. Even Divisha showing me a thumbs up. Okay, great, children. So let's move ahead to the next question. So Mrs. Hayes built a made a quilt out of fabric. So it is divided into 4 equal columns and 5 equal rows. How many fabric squares did Mrs. Hayes use in her quilt? I'm super impressed. Okay, so I think now you applied the trick and quickly counted the squares, isn't it? So every row is having 4. So what we'll do, we can do like we can add 4, 4, 4, or we can do a skip count by 4s, right? So 4, 8, then we have 12, then we have 16, and then we have 20. So perfect answer, children. Superb. All right, so let's move ahead to the leaderboard. Okay, same positions. All right, Shrikhet, all your answers are correct. Very good. Are you excited? So you came to the second position. So so great job. And even all the children, most of you are giving right answers. So the best part is you are giving correct answers. Even the positions are changing. That doesn't matter, isn't it? Okay, so let's see the next question. So Harris and August were given the same kind of candy bar. Harish ate 3/3 of his candy bar. August ate 2/2 of the candy bar. Who ate more of the candy bar? All right, so 4 of you gave the correct answer. So let's try to understand the concept here, children. So that's most important thing here is they are given the same kind of candy bar. So let's draw the candy bar, okay? Do you like candies? Tell me which is your favorite flavor in the chat box. Okay. All right. So this is the candy for Harris and this is the candy for August. All right. Okay. So now Harris ate 3/3. What does that mean, children? What do you mean by thirds? That means that if I divide a candy into 3 equal parts, every part is a third. Now, how many thirds do we have in this candy? 1, 2, 3. So 3/3. Now Harris ate 3/3 of his candy. So how much candy he has eaten, children? Can you quickly tell me in the chat? He has eaten all the candy bar, isn't it? Now let's talk about August. Now August has 2 halves. Now what do you mean by half? When we divide some object into 2 equal parts, every part is a half. Now how many halves do we have, children? We have 1 and 2 halves. So that means August ate 2 halves. So he ate 1 half and 2 halves. So how much candy August has eaten? Whole of the candy, right? So Harris also ate whole candy. August also ate whole candy. So who ate more candy? They have the same kind of candy. Tell me. Yes, they ate the same amount of candies, right? You understand the concept, children? Give me a thumbs up if you do understand this thing. Quickly show me a thumbs up. Okay, wonderful. I can see thumbs up. All right. So let's see the leaderboard now. Okay, Priyaj first position, and then we okay, Priyaj also the streak of 15. Good job. All right, children, let's catch up in the next question. Don't worry. Okay, the most important thing is that you learned something new, isn't it? Okay, so let's move ahead. So Kyla receives a large cookie for her birthday and wants to split it into fourths. Select the image that shows how Kyla split her cookies. Alright, wonderful children. So most of you were correct. Let's understand the thing. So this is the cookie and Kyla want to split it into fourths. So what do you mean by fourths, children? Whenever I divide some object into 4 equal parts, every part will be called as a fourth. Now, can you quickly tell me how many fourths do we have in this cookie? How many fourths? All right, I can see many answers popping in. Very good, children. Super smart. So we have 4 fourths. So this is 1/4, second fourth, third one, fourth one, because every part is a fourth, right? But my question to you is, children, this is also divided into 4 parts. This is also divided into 4 parts. This is also divided into 4 parts. But now this is not the correct answer. What's the reason? Can you tell me? Okay, let's ask someone. Let's see. You can raise your hands. So I'll give a chance to answer. Okay. Quickly raise your hands, children, who want to give me the reason why they are not the fourths. Okay, I can see many of you raising your hands. All right. Okay, let's give a chance to Ketan. Yes, Ketan, you can unmute yourself.
So first you guys would have thought doing blue, but first the first part of the blue, those two things in the middle are equal together, but then the sides are not equal to the middle part, so that's not it. And then you know that green and red are not equal parts. So then on the yellow one, they're all like pizza slices, and they're all equal parts.
Wonderful, great answer, Ketan. So definitely all of these the wrong answers. They are not equal parts, right? Or but this correct answer is having 4 equal parts. So children, whenever we talk about halves, thirds, or fourths, it is very important that every part should be equal in size. Okay. Otherwise, we cannot term it as fourths, even though it is having 4 parts. Very good answer. Okay, children, so let's go to the leaderboard. All right, so Ziava at the 4th position, and we have Priyarsh with the highest answer streak of 16, and even at the 1st place. Good job, Priyarsh. And even all of you children, you're giving accurate answer most of the times. Okay, so are you excited about the next question? Okay, let's see the next question. 3, 2, 1, and go. Which square shows the fraction 1/2? Alright, so 15 of you are correct. Good job, children. Now, I would like any one of you to explain this to me. You can raise your hands. So, why this is the correct answer? Others are not. Okay. Let me just see who is raising their hand. All right, Ashi. Yes, Ashi. All right, Ashi, you have to unmute.
So how we know is like the red part, like the red one is like there's like half, and the other ones are like they're like showing one piece is shaded, but they're not like equal half.
Perfect answer, Ashi. Good job. So as we can see, this particular square is divided into 2 parts, and both of the parts are equal, right? But when we talk about the second, third, and the fourth figure, although they are divided into 2 parts, but they are not equal, isn't it? So it is very important when we talk about halves. So this is half only, children. So 1/2, 2 parts in total, and we have shaded 1 part. So this is a perfect answer. Show me a thumbs up if you got this. Okay, great, children. So I'm excited to see the podium. But before that, I want to share something with you. So I have a surprise for you at the end. Okay, so let's keep the excitement on, and let's see the podium. We are at the 3rd position. Arnav at the 4th position. Another. Good job, children. And even for all of you who gave all the correct answers. Very good. All right, children. So I would request you to call your parents, because I have very important thing to share with them, and even I have a surprise for you at the end. All right. So congratulations, parents and children, on successfully revising the domain geometry. And personally, it's my favorite domain, and I think it's yours as well, because I can see most of the answers correct. Now, what next? Definitely, we are going to send you the practice worksheets, and hope you're revising the worksheets that were sent previously. All right. So now we have a new program, Alert. So after successfully accelerating the academic careers of more than 1,000 students who have math, EL, and coding, we are introducing a new program which will eliminate your fear of speaking. So that program is our public speaking course. So children, in the next year, you're coming to grade 3, isn't it? And even you must be having your elder siblings, so you can share this thing with them. Now I want to show you a quick video, and then I'll share some surprise with you. Okay, are you excited? Okay, so let me share my screen once again. Just give me a moment. All right. Just give me a moment. Okay, so here sharing the video. Okay, great children. I think you're super excited about the same thing, isn't it? So now I have something exciting to share with you children. So we have a special offer alert. So what are we going to offer? So we are going to offer free online live summer classes. So for any of our course, that is math, English, coding, or public speaking, for grades 1 to 12, and we are offering a 4-week free trial. So hurry up, and we are going to start our classes from 1st June. So those who are not enrolled with us can grab up this offer. Okay, great children. So as this is our last session, so I'm definitely going to miss you a lot, and hope you're also going to miss the sessions and me. So now let's capture this wonderful moment with a group photograph. I would request all of you to open your cameras and show me a heart. All right, even you can show me a victory symbol. So I would request Neeraj, Nikan, Lohitaksh to open their cameras and just show me a heart. Okay, great. Are you going to miss me, children, and the session? Wonderful session. Okay, great. All right, thank you so much, children. Okay, Ajit is saying, showing me something. Okay, I can see that.